Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Chick-fil-A sandwich at home. So first you're going to need to prepare your brine for the chicken. So you're going to put 4 cups of cold water into a large bowl and add half of a cup of kosher salt along with a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Now you're going to take a whisk and whisk this until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. So after that, you can go ahead and add in your chicken breast to this mixture, put plastic wrap over the bowl, and then refrigerate this for 6 hours or up to overnight. So next we need to prepare our signature spice. So you're going to combine some black pepper, some paprika, some cayenne pepper, and the secret ingredient to this entire recipe is a thing called accent seasoning. You can pick this up at any local grocery store. So this is what's going to give it that signature Chick-fil-A flavor. You can completely make this recipe without it. However, it's just going to be missing a little bit of that flavor. So now for the wet ingredients, you're going to combine some eggs and some milk and then whisk that until it's combined. For the dry batter, you're going to combine some all-purpose flour along with some dry instant milk powder. You're also going to add some baking powder, some granulated sugar, which is going to give it that signature sweetness, and 2 tablespoons of the spice mixture that we prepared earlier. Next, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of the egg and milk mixture into the dry ingredients, and this might sound weird, but this is going to create the little clumps and it's going to give that fried chicken the signature texture that Chick-fil-A has. So now we need to pour a quart of canola oil into a wok and then heat this until it's 350 degrees. So now after the chicken has brined, you can take it out of the bowl and put it on some paper towel, and then I'm going to take a piece of paper towel and blot off any excess brine. You really don't want any of this left over on the chicken or else it's just going to be way too salty. So after it is completely dried off, you can go ahead and sprinkle the chicken with any remaining spice mixture that you have left over. So now you're just going to flip the chicken over and season the other side. So after the chicken is seasoned, you can go ahead and dunk it in the wet batter and then move it on over to the dry bowl. And as you can see, I'm putting the chicken in the bowl and then topping it with the extra flour. And then you actually have to press the flour into the chicken, and that is what's going to give the chicken the signature Chick-fil-A texture. So now you can go ahead and fry the chicken. Just to avoid overcrowding, I only fry 2 pieces of chicken at a time, and they're going to fry for 4 minutes, and you have to flip halfway through. So to assemble the sandwich, I'm just going to put a hamburger bun on a piece of tin foil, put 3 pickles on the bottom, and then top it with the chicken fillet. Then I can go ahead and put the top bun on, and you're actually going to wrap this in the foil and let it sit for 2 minutes, and that's going to give the sandwich the signature Chick-fil-A steamed bun effect. And that's pretty much it. That's how I make my Chick-fil-A sandwich recipe. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!